now I'm going to measure the size of your pregnancy. All right. I'm going to place one hand near your pelvis and then the other hand at the top of the pregnancy. Okay. If I'm applying too much pressure, let me know. Okay. So I'm just locating the bone, and now I'm just locating the top of your pregnancy. You're doing a great job, and you measure right about 27 weeks. So that's perfect. Okay. The next step is we'll listen to the baby's heartbeat. I'm going to listen to the baby's heartbeat, okay? So I'm just going to place this on you for a second, okay? There we go. Sounds good. So baby's heartbeats beat about twice as fast as mommy's, so your baby sounds good. Okay, great.